There is more to affiliate marketing. Read these tips to learn more. The power of affiliate marketing is something that has helped numerous individuals achieve a level of success they never thought possible. The best way to fulfill your potential in this realm is to learn as much as you can about solid strategies and techniques. By using the tips and advice in this video, you will be equipped with some of the necessary strategies to succeed in the affiliate marketing world. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. Examining an affiliate's sales conversion ratio can tell a webmaster whether or not the affiliate is worth working with. This is the percentage of visitors to the affiliate's website that become paying customers. Affiliates that cannot manage to make sales to even 1% of their visitors are not performing strongly enough to incorporate into a successful affiliate marketing network. Avoid exclusive affiliate marketing programs. These are programs that restrict a webmaster's advertising. Such programs might require that a webmaster advertise only his or her affiliate's products in a given category, or even advertise no products at all except the affiliates. This is an unreasonable demand to make, and experienced website owners will not stand for it. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. Affiliate marketing has provided many individuals with the sort of freedom of which they never dared dream. The critical step in achieving such success is to gain a thorough education in the proven methods of sound affiliate marketing. With a determination to apply these suggestions with attention to detail, you can join those who have made a success of it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.